today I have with me my favorite. Why I call her favorite? People tell me, why do you do sessions? What is so special about Ambika Khanna? I said, I know Ambika Khanna for 12 years now. And she's a soul coach, she's a mentor, she's a mind architect, and she has helped 25,000 and more to heal. She's helped them connect to themselves, whether that is chronic diseases, there is tumor, there's anything. He's helped them come out of it. Now you will ask me how. She does various therapies. You can search that on ambikakhanna.com. आप Google करेंगे आपको जरूर उनके बारे में बहुत मिलेगा. So definitely, जो वो बोलती हैं बहुत अपने experience से बात करती हैं. And उनका मानना ये है कि you are a master when your family calls you a master, and her family calls her a master, and I call her a master too. So today she's with us, and आज हम बात करेंगे beliefs को लेकर. Hello Ambika ma'am, how are you?
Hello dear Hina, I'm good. Hope so are you, and I hope so is everyone else.
Yes, we are all good. We are all doing fine. And thank you for coming today, where I called you up. And so I have been doing series of workshops in collaboration with community, and हम financial education के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और मैंने बहुत सारे beliefs, बहुत सारी चीजें देखी जो रोकती हैं ladies को, अंबिका दी, and somewhere we are not ready. हम चाहे कितना भी बोल दें कि हम कमा रहे हैं, we are earning, but we are not financially, that is not financial freedom. But what is stopping us to money, and what are those? I want to understand. When you spoke to me, you said, Hina, they are beliefs. Yeah. So to start with, Ambika ji, what are beliefs? और कौन से ऐसे beliefs हैं जो हमें रोकते हैं to achieve success? Today, our session is going to be about this, and I'm so excited that we are going to work and we are going to level up and achieve.
Yeah. So to answer your first question, what is a belief? Simply put, thoughts which come to you repeatedly, they become your belief. There are various kinds of thoughts, Hina. There are surface thoughts, there are root thoughts, there are sponsored thoughts. So these are various type of thoughts. We'll be talking about them during the class. And these are the type of thoughts which go and make your core beliefs. So we have good positive beliefs, and we also have limiting beliefs. It is these limiting beliefs, which is amalgamation of our repeated thoughts, which sabotage our success, which sabotage our financial success, because which is responsible for sabotaging abundance at all levels. So when you are working with limiting belief system, the end result is going to be lack, because actually what you are doing is you are starting from a situation of lack and you are ending in a situation of lack. So you have to now work on your beliefs, these core limiting beliefs, throw them away. We don't require them, and the transformation is fairly easy. And after this transformation, we need to connect to our positive, abundant us, the positive beliefs about us. So once you connect to those, which we'll be doing during this class, definitely end result is success. You understand and you correct yourself at every step while working. Again, I'm falling back into the space of lack. No, I am the abundant being, and I am able to create my reality the way I want. So after this class, I am 100% sure you will be able to create the reality that you want, not the one which comes to you from a space of, what should I say, your limiting beliefs or your indoctrined beliefs, which come from everywhere around but you. So this is what we are going to work on.
So Didi, कुछ अगर हम बात करते हैं, what are these limiting beliefs? If you can share some examples so that जो लोगों को नहीं पता, जिन लोगों ने नहीं हमारे साथ सेशन किया या नहीं कर रहे,
Right.
उनके लिए what are the examples of limiting beliefs? Can you just share 3-4 of these limiting
there
beliefs?
Are type of beliefs. There are many types of beliefs, and there are common beliefs like बचपन से सुन रहे हैं, money doesn't grow on trees. पैसे पेड़ पे लगे हैं. I mean, I'm sure everyone must have heard something like this. Or this belongs, this whatever this person is doing, ये filthy rich लोगों की बातें हैं. Generally. So what you are doing in your subconscious, you are equating money, abundance, material abundance to being filthy. It's filthy to be rich. तो आपकी subconscious में message क्या जा रहा है? No. I don't want to be filthy. So if I don't want to be filthy, I don't want to be rich. Are you understand the equation? So that's a limiting, and a lot of people with spirituality have this, spiritual beings should not be taking money. It's wrong. Spirituality is equal to money. No. ये ठीक नहीं है. So you've already put a big cross. I am कर लो जो मर्जी. My limiting belief system will not let me attract abundance if I walk the path of spirituality. I will always be in a state of lack. So ये है. Then there are belief systems related to your self-esteem. Belief systems like I don't deserve success. यार मैंने तो इतनी मेहनत ही नहीं करी. Means that the other guy, my colleague, he's been working day and night on this project. I तो just walked in and I just by fluke all this happened. No. So what are you doing? You are again sabotaging yourself. And comparisons, which starts from childhood. Parents, your elder brother, how good he is, full marks are in, and look at you. जितनी मर्जी तो पढ़ाई कर ले, तू रहेगा डम का डम. What has happened? A core belief has been formed. No matter how hard I work, I shall not be successful because my mother told me, has already told me, my parents have already certified, yeah, I'll be a dumb, come whatever. So these are all various type of beliefs. They spring from various stages of our life and even past lives. We'll be talking about from where these belief systems actually come. There are 5 places from where these belief systems come. So we'll be working on these 5 things, where they are coming on from. And then in the class, we'll be also learning how to transform. Whenever you feel stuck, what is that one process that you need to do with yourself to transform this belief by yourself? You just now, while introducing me, said that my tagline is that I believe everyone is a master. Yes. So I am going to wake up that master within you and ask that master to take charge, not just of your financial abundance, but abundance at all levels. Understand, Hina, when we come in the space of lack, it is not just in one field. It is all round. It's like, वो दाग जो आपका धीरे 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 बढ़ते जाता है और वो पूरे कैनवस को, पूरी चीज को कवर कर लेता है, पता ही नहीं चलता. So we are going to not allow this dark to overpower us. We shall overpower this, and we shall make sure.
Absolutely.
अभी यही eradicate करना है, खत्म कर देना.
Yes, and absolutely. I think ये जो COVID times है ना, इन्होंने हमारे अंदर से सारे beliefs और limiting beliefs निकाल दिए हैं. So I think it is high time that we start working on them.
Yes.
And yes, it is nothing like I know these are hard times, and I know that businesses are going to fail, and we are going to shut down. But I also know that we have the chances of innovation, we have the chances of growing, we have the chances of collaboration. और वो तब होएगी जब हम कहीं ना कहीं अपने limiting और lack belief से बाहर निकले. So Ambika Di, I'm super excited for this session. Guys, if you want to join our next session, so please log on to www.queensbrigade.com and sign up. Also, you can mail us, connect@queensbrigade.com, and we will enroll you for our next session with Ambika Khanna. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ambika ma'am.
Today, Hina, before we wind up, I just wanted to share that today my focus is going to be on this one belief. Without money, I'm worth nothing. How to transform this core belief. So today I'll be working on this core issue, where it is coming from. And because this is what everybody is facing right now during this present scenario, this present situation. Everybody is feeling ki paisa nahi hai to main nahi hu. How will I nourish my family? What will I do? Everybody is sitting with a question mark. So we'll do away with the question mark today. We'll transform it into abundance and connect to that abundant me within and be empowered. So
wow,
let's begin.
Let's do this. Let's begin. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And do join us, do subscribe Queen's Brigade, and do join. Thank you so much.
So dear friends, coming back to you. Hello once again and welcome to